Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Today we will make wire tree. Basic things needed for this are thin wire. I am using steel wire, but aluminum wire works best for this type of project. Then long nose plier, stripper or cutter, tape and stick or pipe. First I will arrange my wire in circular form. Apply tapes at the end so that it won't move. I will cut between these tapes now. Align them all properly and stick them using tape. Here I use stick to twist the wires. Use hand gloves if you have to protect your hand. Now I will split these wires to form trunk and branches. Be careful while doing this, as the pointed ends of wire can hurt your eyes. Wear safety goggles if you have. To make leaves, rotate the wire around the stick. And then press and make it flat. Also adjust it in circular form. I also used small pipe to make leaves, but it was very hard to press and align them, so I switched back to stick only. While rotating around the stick, try to rotate at an angle, so that it will be easy to press them. Use plier to rotate this wire end. Like this, make other leaves. There are other ways also to make leaves using plier, but they are too much time consuming. Once done, align and arrange all the leaves and branches. Now I will remove the tape from bottom part. And twist it. I spread some roots wire so that it can stand strong. I will use this bottle as pot. I will fill the bottom using aluminum foil. Now spread the roots properly inside the bottle. I will use air dry clay to hold the tree. I will color the bottle and grass with acrylic colors. I stick some small stones here using super glue. You can even paint trunk and leaves and make it more attractive. Use your creativity and keep creating. Hope you like this video, then hit that like button. Subscribe as it's totally free. Share with your friend. And I will be back with something new. Till then, take care, cause you are awesome. Peace.